Why I am not selling CCIV, the SPAC that is rumoured to be merging with Lucid Motors. What is happening, investors? It is your boy Jack. I am not a financial advisor, and today we're speaking about Lucid Motors, baby. I'm getting asked about these guys a lot, okay? For reference, I bought 500 shares at $12.86 a share. Pre-market, as I'm recording this, we're at $18.85. Do the quick maths, we're up about $3,000 so far. And a lot of people are asking me now, am I going to sell or am I going to trim? You know, we're up quite a bit of money. It gets a bit scary when you start to see the unrealized gain pile up so quickly based off of a rumor. In today's video, I want to share with you why I have no intentions of selling this company until we get an announcement. Because if I miss that announcement, I'm going to miss out on a lot of money, my friend. So today, I'm going to share with you a couple of tactics I have to, help maybe calm your nerves. A couple of safety precautions you can take if you have quite a large amount of money in here and you're feeling a little bit nervous. And it's not something I usually do, but I'm going to give you guys some short-term price targets when we get the announcement. So right before we do get into the video, my friends, into the juicy information, can I please ask you to hit that juicy like button? Drop me a comment down below. How many shares did you buy and at what price, baby? And please, my friend, if you are indeed new around here, hit that juicy red subscribe button and join the family of investors. Also, if you are interested in joining my private Discord group, that's the first link in the description. In there, you get access to all of my buy and sell alerts. We call this company right here at $12.86 a share, I believe it was. We've made so many juicy calls in January. The whole team's eating baguettes. We don't eat bread, we eat baguettes. There's access to over 50 private channels. There's over 1,250 investors in there. It's a juicy community. And if you're interested in making some free money, getting some free stocks, hit the second link in the description, sign up to Webull, deposit $100, you get 4 free stocks, 2 of which are valued up to $3,700 each. It's free money. Now with that being said, I want to speak about this because I understand people are getting nervous. So before I tell you guys why I have zero intention of selling, and let me tell you there is some strong evidence why I am not, just look at the price action. I understand. Look, we have shot up in value. It's been absolutely insane. And as well, we've had a couple of downward moves, and whenever we have a few downward moves, the weak hands come out. Some people get nervous, especially if they're already up 10, 15, 20% in a day or two. Emotion can start to take over. So I do understand it. I mean, you see a stock go up to 15, 16 and then come all the way back down to $13 only a few hours later. It can get the nerves going, it can. But I'm just going to show you guys why I couldn't sell at these prices. I couldn't if I wanted to. So Lucid Motors and the SPAC CCIV are now much more likely to merge in light of new circumstantial evidence. Now this is big evidence, my friends. Now I'm sure you know who Lucid Motors are if you're watching this video. If you don't, I did record a video on these guys already that does speak about the basics and why I like them. But essentially they're a high-end EV car maker. That's what they are, my friends. They have their first factory up and running. They're pretty much ready to go. That's the first piece of evidence. This is when you want more capital. You want to get that production going ASAP, baby. There's not a better time to do it. New circumstantial evidence has continued to bolster the likelihood of the merger eventually materializing, okay? First, Lucid Motors, okay, has now opened job vacancies for 3 new posts. SEC Reporting Manager. I did cover this one in the first video, okay, but that's the first one. Director of Investor Relations, okay, and Analyst Investor Relations. Guys, did they seem like job titles that a private company advertised for? I mean, is this just a coincidence? There happens to be these huge rumors going on, and they so happen to be advertising for these jobs? I mean, that doesn't really seem realistic to me. As is evident from these job titles, the posts are geared toward a public company, thereby lending credence to the fact that Lucid Motors may soon become a public entity. I mean, I'm not here with my little business thinking, you know what, I should probably get an SEC reporting manager, and I should get a director of investor relations. That's not how it works, my friends. These are public company job positions. This here is one thing that really filled me with confidence, okay? I followed a lot of EV rumors. I followed a lot of EV SPACs, a lot of EV, IPOs. I haven't seen anything like this before. I have not seen a circumstance that is so perfect, that is such a big hint towards whether or not the rumors are true. This is truly huge, my friends. Now, the next bit of evidence emerged during yesterday's 2021 ICR virtual conference. At the event, Churchill Capital's CEO, M. Klein, participated in a fireside chat hosted by IPO Edge and ICR. Predictably, the question regarding Churchill Capital's potential merger with Lucid Air did emerge during that chat. Mr. Klein refused to comment on this question. Readers should note that as per SEC's rules, Mr. Klein can't confirm the merger until a letter of intent has been filed with the SEC. He could deny the merger, however. There's nothing illegal. The SEC won't come after you if you say that you're not merging with a company. He refused to comment. He did not deny nor confirm. Again, this could be circumstantial. It's not a guarantee by any means. But come on, let's read between the lines a little bit. He only had two options in this predicament, my friends, to deny the rumour or say nothing, and he decided to say nothing. I really don't see why you wouldn't just deny it if it wasn't true. So one more thing I just want to remind you guys of quickly, and again why I think it might make sense for them to be going public now. Lucid Motors will manufacture its Air EV at the AMP1 factory in Casa Grande, Arizona. The facility will have an initial production capacity of 30,000 units per year. This facility was only completed last month in December. Eventually, the company plans to increase the capacity to 400,000 units per annum. Deliveries are expected to commence in spring of 2021. And apart from its Arizona facility, they're looking to establish a manufacturing facility in Saudi Arabia. Now, bear in mind, the Saudi Public Investment Fund acquired a controlling stake in the company for north of $1 billion in 2019. Let me tell you, that's a fund you want on your side. They are powerful. They have money. Lucid Motors needs money right now. Their factory is ready to go. They want to produce these 30,000 vehicles. They want to sell them to me and to you and to everybody who wants one. There is just too much circumstantial evidence for me to be able to believe that all of it is a coincidence. I mean, the fact he didn't deny the merger rumours, and of course the job advertising. I don't think this is something that can be overlooked. This is massive. Now, I want to give everybody some advice, because obviously we've made a lot of money in here already. I mean, especially if you've gone in with quite a few shares. As I said, I'm up $3,000 in a matter of a few days. That's a nice little chunk of change. So if you're getting nervous, if you're already up, some of you are going to be up 30 to 50+%. Take some profits. I mean, why not? Confirm some of the bag and leave some of it to run. Maybe set a sell stop. Maybe set a 15 to 20% sell stop, and that way you're still going to make money on the rest of your shares, and you're essentially risk-free and guaranteed a nice amount of money. Now, why am I not doing that? Because the risk to reward ratio for me being in at $12.86 a share is so good right now. I mean, it's beautiful. I said in my Discord, guys, I'd rather lose some money on these guys than get out with 20% profits. If this merger is announced, okay, if it is confirmed, you are going to see this company skyrocket very, very quickly. I think we're going to see at least $30 a share on any given day if it's announced. If we keep running on hype, if this company gets to $20, $22, $23 without an actual merger announcement, I think we could be looking at a $45+ company, which is insane potential. I mean, we're still looking at a SPAC here, guys. If I sell everything at $11, I lose less than $1,000. The risk to reward just makes so much sense. If I sell now and secure my $3,000, I mean, that's nice. But I have the potential to make 5 figures in these guys over the next week or two. I'm going to take that risk to reward ratio. So simply put, if you are nervous, secure some profits, set a stop loss, and just let it run stress-free. Don't feel the need to check it every single day. But if you're like me and you're going to hold these guys, do be aware, of course, we can still lose our money. But the risk to reward ratio, if you got in at a similar time to me, is very, very good. All of the signs point to a merger announcement, in my opinion, my friends. Now, I don't think it's going to be without its downs. I don't think it's just going to keep going forever. Like we saw here, I do think there'll be some ups and downs, but ultimately, I think there's going to be a lot more ups. But anyway, my friends, that was my quick update on these guys. I wanted to make this video and get asked about them so much since my first video, so they are my full thoughts right now. If you watched this video all the way till the end, you, my friend, are a true legend, and I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. If you did enjoy the video, took some value, could I please ask you to hit that juicy like button, drop me that comment down below, and please, my friend, subscribe if you're new around here. And if you are interested in that private Discord group, first link in the description, baby. Again, join that community of over 1,250 investors. Access to all of my buy and sell alerts. I call these guys at 1286. Over 50 private channels. So much information there. If you want those free stocks on Webull, that's the second link in the description. Anyway, guys, I hope you all have a beautiful, blessed day. I'll see you for another video very soon. Peace.